Hi everybody, this is Teardrop Face. We have mango, blueberry, and rainbow budgies here. About 4 months ago, I uploaded this video, What Gender is My Baby Budgie? And this video was referring to Rainbow, my third budgie and the newest one in my flock. And it's been 4 months later. Interestingly enough, half the people said Rainbow is male and the other half said female. So pretty close. 16 said male and 13 said female. Well, today I'm going to show everyone. This is Rainbow now. After his first molt, his coloring has changed from a teal, blue, turquoise to a multicolor. Yellow on the face, golden face, spring green on the upper body, and remaining at the bottom is sky blue. So let's see your cere. You want to tell us if you're a boy or a girl? Can everyone see? His cere is dark purple now. He's 11 months old and still hasn't fully changed over yet, because I found out that golden-faced budgies, if they're male, take a long time before the cere turns blue. So he's not fully blue yet. It's very dark purple. Come on out. We want to see your cere. Oh, you're eating. Okay, come on. Come on out when you're done. Can you pause a little bit? Can you look up here, Rainbow? See? Before he was dark pink, solid pink. Now he's purplish, almost blue. So with the cere turning almost blue and the body language, Rainbow is all male. So for those of you who said Rainbow is male, you are absolutely right. Okay, now he's outside. We can look at him closer. Can you come up here? Oh, he went to his playset. Come on, let's get a very close look at your cere. Can you turn around? Yeah. He's all boy. Thanks for watching.